at you with another episode of it. Is it gonna work? I don't know. Is it gonna work? Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came from a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Acecook Supercup Max Shoyu. Pretty intense. It's a big bowl. They like to call a cup. So let's pour some water in on this. And not burn myself in the interim. There we go. Slap a lid on it and do the 3-minute shuffle. Right? Yeah. So the kids are home today. It's a school day. Craziness. So first thing was Saturday night, my poor daughter started barfing. She's been barfing. She can't hold anything down ever since. Miles isn't feeling well. My wife isn't feeling all that great, but she's at work, which is approved by protocol for the situation. And I feel fine. I guess I'm kind of lucky. But, yeah, I just found out that one of my daughter's classmates tested positive for COVID, and I guess her teacher's not at school today. And then I got a thing yesterday saying that, you know, school buses are going to have to double up because of the amount of bus drivers that are out sick right now. And I called to, like, you know, you got to call the transportation department and the office to let them know if your kid's not going to attend. So I called the transportation department and there's just a message. We're sorry, there's nobody here right now. If you leave a message, we'll get that when we get back. But right now, they're due to the lack of bus drivers, and we've got people that are sick in the office, and the people who aren't sick in the office, they're driving buses. So like the dispatch people are out driving buses now. Crazy. It's a wonderful time to be alive, folks. Excitement everywhere. And just to top that all off, Bob Saget died yesterday at a hotel in Florida. So I guess he was 65. That's not that old. Everybody's shocked. You know. Did I know Bob Saget? No, no, not at all. No. He was funny and half-baked, but that was about all that I knew of him being actually funny. But yeah. So that is all I really have to report currently. I'll give more infotainment in the next episode. But this particular bowl that I'm doing right now, this big, huge Acecook bowl, came in a Zen Pop box that, of course, there's delays and there's all this and that and COVID. So it was the December box. Those are usually shipped out at the beginning of November, and I got it last week. And it was just beat the hell out of. These boxes generally show up in great condition. They never take this long. Never. But, you know, what are they gonna do? It's not their fault. But this one was just like totally mangled. But the hi Miles, go play. Go.
Okay.
Silly. He has been so loud today. He's pretty stir crazy. Poor Mimi is just like down for the count. Oh, my little girl. But yeah, anyways, they always show up and they're in great condition, so, and they're usually takes about, oh, I think it's like 3 to 4 weeks to show up, which really isn't all that bad, but yeah, this one certainly didn't. And the one for January, it looks like it'll be showing up pretty quick. I think it'll get here in like a week or so, if that. Alright. So we got some fancy shoyu. It's supposed to be a lot of food. It's a max, super max, like prison. I'm about to go to Noodle prison. That's pretty good. Now it comes with its own chashu, and I never do this. But this time I'm gonna, because I'm gonna use my own. If I can find their chashu. What we got here? Here's the broth. It's got corn in it. Come on, slice of chashu. Where'd you go? While I do appreciate a slice of pork, when it hides like this, it drives me nuts. Well, I will have to dig and dig and dig, and then I will find the slice of pork eventually. I need to put more air bubbles in the pork so it stays aloft. Bowl. They're watching their kids programming. And enjoying tablet time. I'm just trying to keep them like as mellow as possible. Which they're like, sure. Let us have fun. We don't mind that. Ah, there's that slice of pork right on the bottom. And I'm going to use my own chashu, so I will just sample this right now. It's not bad, but just like every other bowl that comes with chashu, it's just not enough. Definitely needs more. I do like the noodle in this one. I will say that much. So, let's see. There's my chashu. Does that look like enough? It isn't. So, here you are. Time for more fun with Sparky. What the heck? Little. Yes. Sparky's done his job. Thank you, Sparky. We got some egg fun. Oh, their TV is too loud. Hey, turn that down, please. You're gonna give me the worst kind of copyright strike. Okay, don't worry about it. I'll figure it out. Don't worry, Mimi. Don't get, yeah. Here's our egg. Lovely and happy. Finally, the store had mung bean sprouts yesterday. I thought, wow, we're coming out of the funk. The funk of 2022. I have a feeling people are going to be like, they didn't like 2020. Boy, I think this year is going to be the one people really don't like. Betty White, Bob Saget. COVID. It's a lot. It's a lot of flavor. God, I always manage to spill some of these little bitsies. Here's some chili oil too. And where is it? Where is it? I took it down. Here it is. You know, I really like this stuff. Sansyo. Oh, almost forgot. God, that's so noisy. It's noisier than my tunes. That's why I worry about getting like a copyright bump off of it. Alright. There we go. Acecook Shoyu Supermax. Well, cool. Thank you for watching. We're going to take all our clothes off in the next episode. I hope you're ready. We're going to have some naked Chinese style firecracker noodle. Oh, diggity. Naked. Alright, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Don't go changing. Bye-bye.